Field searching in Dialog. Today we're going to talk about a technique to improve your research on Dialog, field searching. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, saving time and delivering more precise results. Field searching allows you to look for information within specific parts of a record, rather than searching across the entire document. Think of it like searching for a specific ingredient in a recipe book, rather than scanning every word on every page. This is incredibly useful when you know where the information you need is likely to be. Let's dive into the 3 key steps for effectively using field searching in Dialog. Step 1. Identify the specific field. The first step is to identify the specific field you want to search within the database. Dialog databases contain a wealth of information, and each piece of data is often categorized into distinct fields. For example, in a database you might find fields for author, title, publication year, abstract, or journal name. In a patent database, you might see fields like inventor, patent number, or claims. Before you start typing, take a moment to consider, what kind of information are you looking for? Where would that information most likely appear in a record? Check the database's Pro Sheet for a list of available fields and their corresponding codes. This step is vital for narrowing your results and avoiding irrelevant hits. Step 2. Use the correct search syntax. Once you've selected the field, the second step is to apply the correct syntax for that database. Dialog uses specific codes or prefixes to indicate field searches. While syntax may vary slightly between databases, the general principle remains the same. Typically, you'll use a field code followed by your search term, often separated by a delimiter. For example, to search for a specific author, A.U. Smith, James. To find a term in the title, T.I. Artificial Intelligence. For a specific publication year, P.Y. 2023. Always remember to check the field codes. Each database has its own set of abbreviations. Use Boolean operators. Combine field searches using AND or NOT to create complex and precise queries. Example, AU equals Jones and TI equals nanotechnology. Mastering this syntax is key to unlocking the full power of field searching and achieving accurate, relevant results. Step 3. Review, analyze, and adjust. The third step is to review and analyze your results. After executing your field search, examine the retrieved documents and ask yourself, do these results meet my needs? Are they relevant to my research question? Are there too many or too few results? Based on your analysis, adjust your search parameters if needed. You might refine your keywords. Perhaps a synonym would yield better results. Change the field. Maybe the information is in a different field than you initially thought. Titles, for example, often summarize key topics in peer-reviewed articles. Modify your operators. Broaden or narrow your results with Boolean or proximity operators. Field searching is not always a one-and-done process. It often takes a bit of trial and error to find exactly what you're looking for. In summary, by identifying your target field, applying the correct syntax, and adjusting your search based on results, you can harness the full potential of field searching in Dialog. This technique will help you conduct more efficient, precise, and successful research. Thank you. In a patent database, you might see fields like inventor, patent number, or claims.